Welcome, fellow fitness enthusiasts, to the ultimate guide on harnessing the power of the bench press for maximal muscle growth. If you've ever dreamt of sculpting a powerful chest, cannonball shoulders, and sleeve-busting arms, then you're in the right place. Today, we'll delve deep into the science behind the bench press and uncover its unparalleled potential for hypertrophy. First, let's dive into what hypertrophy is. Hypertrophy is the process of increasing muscle size through resistance training. When you lift weights or perform other resistance exercises, you create tiny tears in muscle fibers. The body repairs these tears, resulting in muscle growth. Hypertrophy training typically involves moderate to high-intensity workouts with repetition ranges of 6 to 12 reps per set. Progressive overload, where you gradually increase the weight or volume of your workouts, is key to stimulating hypertrophy. Adequate nutrition, including protein intake, hydration, and rest, supports muscle repair and growth. By consistently challenging your muscles and supporting recovery, you can achieve significant gains in muscle size and strength. You're lying on the bench, hands gripping the barbell, ready to unleash a torrent of muscle-building force. As you push the bar upwards, you're not just working your chest muscles, you're igniting a symphony of muscle activation across your entire upper body. From the mighty pectoralis major to the triceps brachii, every rep of the bench press recruits a battalion of muscle fibers primed for growth. Forget the isolation exercises that leave you feeling like a one-trick pony. The bench press is the king of compound movements, demanding coordination, stability, and raw power from multiple muscle groups simultaneously. By mastering this foundational exercise, you lay the groundwork for total upper body domination, one rep at a time. Ah, the sacred principle of progressive overload, the cornerstone of muscle hypertrophy. With the bench press as your trusty ally, you hold the keys to endless gains. Whether you're adding an extra plate to the bar or squeezing out an extra rep, each session presents an opportunity to push past your limits and coax your muscles into glorious growth. Variety is not just the spice of life, it's the secret sauce of muscle hypertrophy. With a plethora of bench press variations at your disposal, incline, decline, close grip, you can keep your muscles guessing and your gains flowing. Embrace the versatility of the bench press and watch as your physique evolves into a masterpiece of muscle symmetry. Behind every great bench press session lies a hormonal symphony, orchestrating the dance of muscle growth within your body. Testosterone, growth hormone, adrenaline, these mighty hormones surge through your veins, igniting the furnace of hypertrophy and propelling you toward your muscle-building goals. In a world where time is a precious commodity, the bench press emerges as the ultimate efficiency hack. Why waste hours on endless isolation exercises when you can unleash a torrent of muscle-building fury in a single glorious bench press session? Embrace the power of compound movements and reclaim your time in the pursuit of greatness. Fellow warriors of the iron, the bench press beckons you to embark on a journey of unparalleled muscle growth and strength gains. By harnessing its power, you unlock the gateway to a physique that commands respect and admiration. So strap on your lifting belts, grip the bar with determination, and let the bench press propel you toward your ultimate fitness destiny. If you found this guide to bench press hypertrophy enlightening and empowering, don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button and subscribing for more epic fitness content. Together, we'll conquer new heights of strength and muscle mastery.